Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. I hope you're doing really well. So guys, this video is going to be very helpful for those who want to record their voice but don't have a proper microphone. Because in this video I'm going to show you how you can use a phone as a microphone. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first of all you have to install an app which you can get from Play Store. It's called WoMic. So open up your Play Store and search this app and install it. If you have an iPhone, don't worry, you can still get it from Apple Store. Then you also have to install an app in your PC. For that, just go to the website, click on the download on the left side, and then click on this VC Runtime to download it. It's necessary. By the way, if you have the latest version of Windows, whether it's Windows 10 or 11, I don't think that you will need to install it. But I'm going to recommend you to install it as they have said here. Then download the installer file and then simply install it. After all the installation process, open the app in your phone and in your PC. In your phone, you will see an interface like this. Now click on this gear icon and here in the transport, you can choose how you want to connect your phone to your PC. You can connect your phone with Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi direct. I'm going to recommend you to connect your phone with USB or Wi-Fi. But for tutorial purpose, let's start with Bluetooth. And down here you can change the connect port, which I don't actually recommend. However, if you change the control port in your phone, you have to change it in your PC. For that, on PC, just click on these options, then go to advanced and change it here. Back in the phone, you can choose the audio source, whether you want to just use the default mic of the phone or other microphone. You might be asking, why would I use a well-working microphone in the phone? Well, some microphone only works in the mobile phone, but you can solve that problem by using a Type-C or Type-B converter. However, that's another topic. So I'm going to choose the default, and other than that, you don't have to change anything here. So to connect your phone, click on this play button and it says started. Please connect by Bluetooth. Now in your PC, open up your notification panel by pressing Windows and A at the same time and turn on Bluetooth. Then go to settings and pair your devices. Once the devices are paired, click on connection and connect. Choose Bluetooth and Bluetooth device and click on connect. Now you can use your phone just as a mic. In the phone you can adjust the volume. Let me show you how you can use it in other application. So here, let's say in the Adobe Audition, go to edit. Then down here in the preference, go to audio hardware, and in the default input you can choose your microphone where it says WoMic. With Bluetooth your sound recording might be a little bit weird, so that's why I'm going to recommend you to connect your phone with USB or Wi-Fi. Similarly, you can use this mic in OBS. Just here in the sources, click on the set button, choose audio input capture and OK. Then choose the microphone and OK. And if you want to connect the phone with USB, first you have to change the transport to USB. Then connect your phone with PC via USB. Then in the PC, go to connection, then connect and choose USB from here. But before that, you have to enable the USB debugging in the developer mode. To do that, go to your phone setting. And from here, go to About Phone and then Software Information and tap 7 times on the build number to enable the developer mode. I have already enabled it, so that's why it's showing no need. You can find build number in the other settings. This actually varies from phone to phone. And if you can't find it, just search it here and you will find it again. So go to developer mode and scroll a little bit and enable USB debugging. And OK. And make sure to open WoMic app and click on the run button again. Otherwise it won't work. Now in the PC again, go to connection and connect. Choose USB and connect. And there you go. And to connect to Wi-Fi, all you have to do is choose Wi-Fi in the transport and click on play button. It will give you FTP URL. Now in the PC, just go to connections, connect and choose Wi-Fi and enter the same FTP URL here. And click on connect and that's it. That's how you can use your phone as a mic. I'm still going to recommend you to connect through USB or Wi-Fi. That way you will get a proper sound. So that's how you can use your phone as a microphone. And thanks for watching to the end guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to get new videos like this. As always, my name is Simon and I'll see you in the next one.